How y'all doing? My name's Gary Reeves. I'm a master flight instructor from pilotsafety.org. I'm also the Avidyne national training provider, and Stevens Aviation and Avidyne asked me to be a guest in their booth to help show people the new Avidyne IFD flight management systems that they can add to Citation jets. So one of the best things about Avidyne is it's a true flight management system. It's not just a basic GPS system. Avidyne includes a full synthetic vision AHRS on their 550, flat synthetic vision on their 540. So if you have an airplane with a Collins ProLine system and we lose those screens, you have a full synthetic vision backup. It's a very high-tech automated system. It's a true flight management program that automatically sequences missed approaches, allows you to preload and automatically activate approaches for not only your destination airport, but including your flight plan all the way out to the alternate, and dramatically reduces the pilot workload. In an hour with an Avidyne versus a Garmin system or an old Collins ProLine system, you're going to push 20 less buttons. So you've got the modern touchscreen technology with hard buttons and knobs, a wireless keyboard, and a complete iPad app. It's the easiest, most cost affordable way to bring your Citation 1 through 3+ up to the best technology, including ADS-B and the ability to shoot LPV approaches.